Cabero, Prince John Tela, and the flower girl, Jillian Nuari. Once again, let's give a round of applause to our muse, baby Margaret M. Gaygan. She is a daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Geoffrey G. Gaygan. She is 4 years of age. She believes in the saying that winning and losing aren't important. It's how much fun you had in the process. She is under the sponsorship of Barangay Kagawad Gregorio Tamani. Ladies and gentlemen, Her Royal Highness, our Muse,